is a very big lake over here. It's August, but it's snowing. I'm very high up and I feel like the queen of the world. A very, very cold world. But it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Since the mid-20th century, the destructive scale of man-made emissions, deforestation and species extinction have led to an era some scientists are calling the age of the human. However, green development has become a key concept for China, now the world's largest producer and consumer of renewable energy sources. I've come to Qinghai province, home to Sanjiangyuan, the source of three rivers, to find out exactly how China's environmental improvements include preservation, protection, and a transition away from high-carbon industries into clean energy. Located in the heart of the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau, Sanjiangyuan is a vast landscape of great ecological significance. A key example of the country's focus on conservation, this is just one of the areas in which China is strengthening its green development concept. A vast grass and wetland with ripe forests and diverse wildlife, protection from human activity and climate change has become crucial for its preservation. Hi. 你好.
你好. 你好.
So you go? Okay. Many local farmers here have now become ecological patrolmen to help monitor the surrounding local environment. Sorso is taking me to one particular area that he is personally in charge of on his bike. Sorso is one of the many ecological ranges in Sanjiangyuan. In line with the integrated management of water, grasslands and lakes, Ushu and Guolo have introduced jobs in ecological management and protection for the local community, in a bid to achieve both preservation for the environment and poverty alleviation for the herdsmen. For example, in Madhuo County, more than 200 herdsmen have become rangers, protecting their homeland. Sorso has now served as a ranger for many years, witnessing both the disappearance and gradual return of the wild animals in this area. Local residents, guided by green development concepts, have also continued to improve their environmental awareness. A bull head-like monument, which serves as a totem marking the headwater of the Yellow River, sits atop the mountain between Jialing and Erling Lake, earning the mountain its name, Bullhead Mountain. Part of Sorso's patrol route, it is also an area of breathtaking views of the two lakes. The Ranger Project is just one approach to ensuring the full recovery of Sanjiangyuan's ecological conditions. The Monitoring Center of Qinghai Provincial Environmental Protection Bureau has also adopted several methods for real-time monitoring of the area. I've come to the Monitoring Center, where Ding Ling, a staff member who once introduced the center's work to President Xi Jinping, will take me to look around the center. So can you briefly introduce your kind of day-to-day activities here and what sort of experience you have at the center?
日常的工作呢，就是利用这个生态环境监测网络的这个远程视频系统，来观测重点河流、重点生态系统和重点生物的一个物种多样性的一个分布情况，然后用相应的软件分析，来对我们的监测评价呢做一个数据支撑。
The ecological window system set up by the Bureau is capable of remote, high-definition video monitoring of the wildlife in Sanjiangyuan, up to 800 kilometers away.
那么在这里呢，我们就可以看到这个藏羚羊迁徙过这个五道梁北大桥下面的一个情况。当时呢，我们是为习总书记展示了这个大概有300多只藏羚羊母子群返回的一个视频画面。他对这个青海省的这个生态环境保护工作呢是极其重视的，当时也问到了雪豹的一些物种分布的情况。
Improving and maintaining the conditions of Sanjiangyuan require great care. Its varied ecological systems, from prairies to wetlands, forests to desertified land, have attracted a wide range of rare species.
这个画面展示的就是国家一级保护动物雪豹的一个活动影像。雪豹的生活习性非常机敏，它属于昼伏夜出的动物。这是通过一种红外触发相机的技术，经过长期的蹲守才拍到的一个珍贵的影像。
Setting out on his patrol route, Suo commits himself to this task each day. President Xi Jinping notably said that one should protect the ecological environment as they would protect their eyes, and treat it as one would treat their life. In an era where man-made destruction is accelerating much faster than ever before, President Xi's green development concept is leading China into a new era of cleaner, greener, low-carbon living for the protection of the whole planet.